Hey there! Want to know how to clear out those messy duplicates from your spreadsheets? You've come to the right place. I'm going to show you 5 super easy ways to remove duplicates in Excel like a pro. Let's dive in. First up, the Remove Duplicates tool. Select your data range, head over to the Data tab, and click on Remove Duplicates. Pick the columns you want to check for duplicates and hit OK. Bam! Clean data in seconds. Next, let's talk conditional formatting. Select your data range, go to the Home tab, and click Conditional Formatting. Choose Highlight Cells rules and then Duplicate Values. Excel will highlight the duplicates for you, which you can then delete manually. Easy peasy. Moving on to Advanced Filters. Again, select your data range, go to the Data tab, and click Advanced in the Sort and Filter group. Choose whether to filter the list in place or copy it to another location. Check the Unique Records Only box. Hit OK, and you're all set. Now for the formula lovers out there. Use a helper column to flag duplicates. Select the first cell to apply the formula. Type the formula equals count if AA2 greater than 1. Filter or sort the flagged rows and delete them. It's a bit more manual, but super powerful. Last but not least, Power Query. Select your data range, go to the Data tab, and click Get and Transform Data from Table Range in Power Query Editor. Navigate to Remove Rows, remove duplicates. Load the cleaned data back to Excel, and you're done. There you have it, folks. 5 different ways to master duplicates in Excel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Excel tips.